Welcome to Korean Linguistic Lesson 4. Today is our lesson 4. In lesson 3, we discussed about the Sino-Korean number system. Sino-Korean number system we are using for phone numbers, addresses, money, currency, minute system and clock. For everything, for everywhere we are using Sino-Korean number system only. Today we will discuss about double vowels and double consonant. How many vowels are there in Korean language? 10. How many vowels are there in Korean language? 10. How many double vowels are there in Korean language? 11. We have 11 double vowels. How many double vowels? 11. Double vowels means the name itself includes combining any two vowels will give a double vowel. Combining any two vowels will give a double vowel. So in that way we have 11 double vowels. But we won't use that much. Mostly we are using only vowels. Double vowels I think only 5 to 6 we are using regularly. So the first double vowel. Here we started with consonant because that is our rule 1. Every syllable should started with consonant only. If you omit here, no problem. But we just, for your ease of convenience, I mentioned here consonant. First one, two standing lines and one stroke on left hand side. That sound is called A. What is the sound? A. What is that sound? A. Two vertical lines and one stroke on left hand side. That sound is called A. What is that sound? A. Same sound in met, pet, set, etc. Second one. Two standing lines and stroke in between those two vertical lines. That sound is called A. That sound is called A. In first one, A, you have to pronounce like A. You should not stretch your voice. You should not widen your mouth. In second sound, again A. Again A. But you have to widen your mouth. A. And third one, again two vertical lines. Give two strokes on left hand side. Same sound in yes. How you are pronouncing? Yes. If you observe, here you have to add some ya sound. You have to add some ya sound in this vowel. Ya sound. Fourth one, again two vertical and give two strokes in between the vertical line. That sound is called ye. Same sound in yankal, etc. First one, A. You should not widen your mouth. You have to pronounce in A. A. Second one, you have to widen your mouth. A. In third one, you have to add some ya sound. Ye. Ye. Fourth one, again you have to add ya sound and same time you have to widen your mouth. In third one, you should not widen your mouth, but you have to add ya sound. Ye. Fourth one, you have to add ya sound. Same time you have to widen your mouth. Ye. So first one A, second one A, third one ye, fourth one ye. So these four double vowels we are using regularly. Next fifth one. Same in vowels we have O, A. O plus A, Va sound. What is O plus A? Va sound. This va sound also we are using in all syllables. Va. Va sound same as in wine. Again sixth one. O plus A. O plus A. O. Same sound in wonder. Fifth one. Va. Sixth one. O. Seventh. Oi. What is the sound? Sleeping line. One horizontal line and one vertical line. That sound is oi. Oi. So if you observe, all these double vowels are combining any two vowels. Combining any two vowels will give a double vowel. Eighth one. O plus E, oi. O plus E, oi. Ninth one, V. U plus E, V sound. U plus E, V sound. As sound in V. 10th one, 10, 11, both are same sound. Way sound. Way sound in wait. 11th one, again way sound, but it is in when. 10 and 11 almost same. You can write for way sound anything you can write. Both are correct only. So how many double vowels are there? Total 11 double vowels we have. First one A, Ye, Wa, O, We, Oi, Vi, Ve. So total we have 11 double vowels. That first 6 double vowels only we are using. The remaining we won't use that much. First 6 vowels, 6 double vowels only we are using regularly. Now review. Review of lesson 4. First one, how to write va sound in Korean? Guess it. How to write va sound in Korean? Va. Va means O plus A. How to write va? O plus A. So where is O? First, please check in all these 4 options. Where is O? This one, right? O plus A. Va. Correct. Next one. How to write A sound? First one. A. Same sound in met, pet, set, net. So how to write A sound in Korean? A. This one. 2 vertical lines and stroke on a left hand side. Next, how to write O sound in Korean? O. O means U plus A. O. U plus A. O. So this one. This is the answer. U plus A. O. This is our review lesson number 4. Review of lesson 4. Next, coming to double consonants. We have total 5 double consonants. 5 double consonants means writing a consonant in 2 times. Writing the consonant in 2 times. Total we have 5 double consonants. We have 14 consonants and double consonants are 5. How many double consonants we have? 5. So first one, writing the consonant 2 times. First one, ka. Ka. The sound should be like a explosive sound, like no bomb blasting sound. The sound should be like that. Ka. First one, ka. Second, sa. Second one, sa. Third, ta. Third one, ta. The sound should be like an explosive sound. Actually, normally first in consonant we used to pronounce ka in simple way, ka. In aspirated consonant means we used to release some air while pronouncing that sound. This is double consonant. The sound should be like an explosive sound. Fourth one, writing that pa sound 2 times. Pa, pa, pa. Fifth one, ja. Fifth one, ja. First one, ka. Second, sa. Third, ta. Fourth, pa. Fifth, ja. These are all 5 double consonants we have. We will see some new vocabulary. Every class or every lesson in every session, we will learn 10 new words, 10 new vocabulary words. Today our first word is bread. What is bread in Korean? Try to read. Pang. Pang. If you observe, this pa is double consonant. Pa is double consonant. I is oval. Again, ing is consonant. Ing means empty symbol. You have to write a circle. That is ing. If that circle comes at the end of the syllable means we have to pronounce with ing sound. So this is CVC combination. Pa. consonant A, vowel in consonant, CVC combination, consonant vowel consonant combination. So the last consonant will go down. Second word, daughter. Daughter. What is daughter in Korean? Tal. What is daughter in Korean? Tal. Again double consonant. So if you observe today our all four words vocabulary, all four words vocabulary follows all double consonants. All double consonants we covered in this vocabulary. Daughter, tal, again consonant, vowel, consonant relation. So last consonant will go down. CVC combination. Again flower. What is flower in Korean? Coach. What is flower in Korean? Coach. Again consonant, vowel, consonant combination. So last consonant will go down. Coach. Rice. What is rice in Korean? Sal. What is rice in Korean? Sal. Again consonant, vowel, consonant combination. CVC. So last consonant will go down. All these four words we are just taking in a reference or examples for double consonants. Now if you observe how we retain full structure for each consonant, we just took here three examples. First one is ma. If you observe, what is our rule one? Every syllable should start with a consonant. So if you observe ma, ma followed by vertical vowel. First one, ma, ma followed by vertical vowel. So vertical vowel will come besides the consonant. Second one, ma followed by vertical vowel with two strokes. So it will come besides the consonant. Pronunciation is mya. Third one, ma. Again vertical vowel. Fourth one, mya. Fifth one, me. Ma, e sound. Vertical vowels. So vertical vowels will come besides the consonant. Next one, consonant followed by horizontal vowel. Mo. So it will go bottom of the consonant. Next one, yo. Ma followed by yo. So horizontal vowel, it will go besides the bottom of the consonant. Next one, ma followed by oo, horizontal vowel. So mo. Next one, ma followed by horizontal vowel. U, mu. Next, ma, sleeping line followed by horizontal vowel. So it will go bottom of the consonant. Mu. Ma, mya, ma, mya, mi, mo, myo, mu, mu, mu. So if you try to write this full structure for all the 14 consonants, then you can able to write any word. Then you can get a good idea. Then you can get a good command towards the language. So these first 4 videos are very important. If you are very thorough with all these 4 videos, the next upcoming sessions are very easy for you.